Hello, gardening friends. People have been wanting to know how this experiment worked out with, because I bought way too many seeds, and so I took some coco coir blocks that you soak in water, and I did that. Hello. Took some of those coco coir blocks and vermiculite, mixed them together, and I put them in these baskets. And one of the things, well, I have tons of these baskets, which is why I tried to do that. And we were going to give them away to a local charity, and I decided to use them this way. And it's clear that these baskets won't last for another year, but also these seeds I bought in July of 2023, and it surprised me. I guess I'd forgotten. I'm looking here because it looks like there's some seeds that are taken off in here, or that have germinated. But I don't think these baskets are going to last. It'll probably last the first year, but it looks like the vermiculite is turning green, which makes it look like. But anyway, so I had a very poor germination rate on the seeds because they were. I saw them on Amazon, so I got them, and I got a whole bunch of seeds. Well, here's one. I put several packages in each one of these things. Probably only one in here, but here's one right here that's germinated. But from all the packages of seeds I put in here, it's amazing that more didn't. But I think it's, you see, if I bought them on Amazon in July last year, and then started them this spring, I guess it depends on how old they were when I bought them. If they were grown for the growing season of 2023, which if you buy them in July, it's kind of late to think that. But anyway, so the germination rate is next to nothing. Here's a couple in here. And this one here did really well. Of course, they're in clay pots too. So I'm to the point where I'm almost just going to take these this potting soil and dump it back in. And this basket here, it's got one seed in it. I don't think these baskets will last for a second year. They'll probably last for the first year for sure. Another problem I had was squirrels or animals or something digging in here in them. I had a couple of them that were dug in, and that's what ruined this one here. But something is growing in there. My plans were things that survive at the end of the year, to plant them somewhere. But it was just to use up those seeds, so I didn't have much of any place to do it. Here's another pot over here. Well, this one has things coming up. Look at that. Here's one. Of course, this is in a clay pot. I can't imagine that makes any difference whether it's in a clay pot or one of those baskets. One little thing in there. So maybe I'll wait a few more days before I get rid of these. Okay, so that's how the experiment with dumping all these seeds in baskets is coming along. I remember I put several packages in each one of these. Oh, and these here have had animals. This one here was nearly tipped over. There's two things in it, and so I tried to pick up the seed off of the sidewalk and throw it back in here. And it's amazing there's even anything in there growing at all. Okay, so that's how this experiment with these baskets is coming along. So I will talk to you next time, and I'll keep you up to date on how this is coming. Because if it worked, this would be kind of a neat idea, but I did put bone meal in there, and it didn't seem to keep animals from digging in there. Well, it's probably squirrels. So I'm thinking that the best way to start seeds is going to be in a cold frame or something covered so that animals can't get to them. Since I don't have a greenhouse or anything like that, I'd like to have some way to start seeds. I don't have any place inside to do it. So I think the best thing is probably get a cold frame, which I'm going to do, and then I could start seeds in there. Okay, well, I'll talk to you next time, and thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.